Hey, you need to go, dude. What are you doing here? Huh?
I found it. You can have it.
What's in your pocket?
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Put your hands up. What is it?
Put your hands up.
What is it?
Hey, listen. Hey, you still got a 417, bro. Put your hands up.
Found it on the way.
Hey, don't reach for it.
Hey, myself.
Come on, stop this.
Don't reach for it.
Hey, get on the ground. Yeah, let me get my.
Hey, don't reach for it. Get on the ground. Get on the ground then. Get on the ground. Hey, get on the ground. Hey, listen. Get on the ground. Yeah. What's the address here? You open the door?
You're on the potty.
Correction 164, you're going to be detaining a 417 suspect sent from the 91. Going to be facing southbound. We're going to be at the Trevor. Going to get you coach at the nursery.
Hey, get on your knees.
Get on your knees.
Get on your knees.
Pocket. No, keep your hands on your head. No,
Stop
keep
reaching.
your hands on your head. Leave your phone alone.
Stop reaching.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him with the 40 if he goes in his pocket. This is left pocket, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Leave your hands on your head. Leave your hands on your head. Hey, put your hands on your hood. On the.
Hands up.
Hey, sir, in the car. Hey, you want to back up? Yeah. Hey, stop reaching in your pocket. No,
Stop reaching.
keep your hands on your head. No,
Stop
keep your
reaching.
hands on your head. Leave your phone alone.
Stop reaching.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him with the 40 if he goes in his pocket. This is left pocket, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Leave your hands on your head. Leave your hands on your head.
I copy 998. Central.
Leave your hands on your head.
Status of the deputies.
Listen.
Hold the air.
Deputies are going to be accounted for. The DP is going to be down.
Hey, let's get fire sage.
Fire to stage just north of the 91 in Central.
I copy deputies are accounted for. We're getting fired to stage. Stay on your ETA.